Hey, how's it going? I have a USC case. It's been hitting stores for a while. You know what's in here. We're looking for that Ferrari F40 Black Super Treasure Hunt. See what else is in here. There's some other cool cars in here for sure. Anyways, let's get into this thing and see what we've got. 72 cars. I haven't seen even a single black Ferrari in the stores, so hopefully I at least get a mainline in here, which I should. It'll be something, right? All right, here we go. Maybe first three out of the pack. 24/7, the Chevette. Oh, look at that, we got an error. We pulled a decidedly go. It's missing it's missing the internals and the Super 8 ball. That's pretty cool. All right, next up, we have the Ferrari. Got the McLaren Fleet line. Can't remember what's in the B case and what's in this one. I don't remember what's in. We got another Black Widow. That's very cool. This was the B case Super. Big fan of that Black Widow Silverado. It's just really cool. Datsun 240Z. The Porsche is nice. 5-alarm. Roller Toaster. The Chevelle. And the Hightail Chaser. Some of these fantasy cars are pretty cool. Let me know down below which ones you think are, or which ones are your favorite. Got the Kit Concept, Porsche Taycan. This is the Treasure Hunt. This is the Electro Silhouette. Regular Treasure Hunt in this case. Gonna be doing some downhill racing. I'm finally getting the parts for my track in a couple days, so really looking forward to that. The Challenger is really nice there. The Braille Racer Twin Mill. Very, very cool. I see another Optimus Prime. Not this grouping, but the next one. There it is. 67 Camaro. Always a great casting. That one's been around for a long time. Always happy to see new color variants on that. We have the Competizione. Very cool. Like that. The red, white, and blue. The Bugatti Bolide. Alright. We're going to go down to the second layer. Let's see what we've got. Maybe. There we go. All right, there's our Ferrari. It is not a Super Treasure Hunt. Still very cool. F40 Competizione. Very nice. It looks so good in black. I wonder if there's another one in here. Usually there's two, but of the car that would be the Super. We'll see. Another Kit Concept. I like that car. Did a little short feature on that one. I think it's cool how it lights up. McLaren W1 in blue. It's pretty cool. Love this one. Zonda. Somebody said it's called Sync. Lots of cool cars in this case. The Corvette Grand Sport, the Monster High Ghoul Mobile. That one's pretty cool. Man, that's funny. People are really grabbing up these Silverados, and there was two in the B case, and there's also two in this case. So these are pretty abundant. I know they're really hard to find. I've only found one in the store, but two in each of the last case codes. All right, coming down to the last three here. Got another quick chat. Love that car. Looks like there was only one Ferrari in here. We did not get the Super. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. Please check out my other videos and have a great day.